In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access ElevenLabs Workspace settings in just a couple of quick clicks. This is a super simple tutorial, but it's really useful if you want to manage your workspace, update team settings, or check the account options inside ElevenLabs. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to ElevenLabs and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture there. Click on that profile picture to open the drop-down menu. This is where ElevenLabs keeps several important account options. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled Workspace Settings. Click on Workspace Settings from the drop-down, and that will take you directly into the Workspace Settings area. From here, you can review and manage the settings for your ElevenLabs workspace depending on what access you have. And that's it. You've now accessed ElevenLabs workspace settings. It only takes a second once you know where to look, and now you can get back to managing your workspace with confidence. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.